The Russian-based corporation, Rostec, has begun the dispatch of the initial batch of innovative, new Floks self-propelled artillery units, SPHs, with a wheeled base and a 120mm caliber, as per reports from RIA Novosti. The notable speed of these new installments' gunfire is highly impressive, allowing multiple firings from different gun elevations simultaneously. The period for shifting the self-propelled gun from a running state to a battle-ready position is remarkably less, barely exceeding 1 minute. Rostec, the state-operated corporation, has infused pioneering advancements into these newly launched Floks self-propelled artillery systems on a wheeled framework. It is this novel approach of theirs that considerably enhances the protection and mobility of combat crews, thus causing these self-propelled guns to stand out. The Floks is considered by many Russian experts and ex-officers from the country's artillery units as having the potential to become a crucial weapon in ground operations. The state-run corporation, Rostec, has a history of producing top-tier military equipment, and the Floks self-propelled artillery unit mounted on a wheeled base is demonstrative of this. Their latest inventions reiterate the advanced level of development and creativity evident in Russia's military industry. As the first batches of Floks continue to be gradually rolled out, it is projected that there will be significant enhancements in the efficiency and safety of combat procedures. The armament at the heart of the Floks artillery system is a formidable 120mm mortar, howitzer. This unique feature renders it capable of launching both mortar bombs and artillery shells, offering versatility on the battlefield. In its artillery, it employs a wide range of ammunition such as high-explosive, HE, projectiles, guided projectiles, as well as HE mortar rounds. The operative capabilities of the Floks are intricate as well as impressive. With the use of mortar ammunition, the Floks can project its assault up to 7.5 kilometers. This range increases to an impressive 13 kilometers with artillery shells. The primary weaponry is skillfully integrated to the rear of a truck chassis that facilitates an elevation of -5 degrees to 80 degrees and a traverse spanning approximately 35 degrees. The Floks distinguishes itself with a robust firing rate, launching 8 to 10 projectiles per minute. Enhancing its potential, a remotely operated weapon station is mounted atop the crew cab, compatible with a 7.62mm or a 12.7mm machine gun. A grouping of 4 smoke grenade dischargers is an integral feature on each side of the crew cab roof. The Floks, acting as a mobile fortress, carry around 80 ammunition pieces. Of these, 28 rounds are immediately deployable for action. While in an operational position, the loading of the 120mm mortar cannon is manually performed by a pair of operators situated at the rear section of the truck. Stationed on a 6x6 truck chassis, the 120mm Floks artillery system is an imposing structure. It sports a crew cab at the front, with the authoritative 120mm artillery weapon positioned at the back. The team manning this behemoth comprises 4 members, a driver, a commander, and 2 operators. Designed with mindful precision, the crew cab is built to withstand gunfire from small arms and the impact of shell splinters. Its architecture features a pair of single doors on each side, armed with bulletproof windows. A salient feature of this cabin is the centrally located firing port. This advanced artillery vehicle is equipped to carry a load of 80 ammunition. The storage plan includes an allocation of 16 rounds inside a box stationed on the right side of the truck's chassis. The remaining ammunition is meticulously kept in a compact shelter placed at the squad cab's rear. The Floks artillery system, measuring 120 mm, is equipped with functionality akin to the Stora electro-optical jammer. This powerful feature hinders the operation of certain military technologies such as anti-tank guided missiles, laser rangefinders, and target designators. Additionally, the Floks has been designed with an autonomous power supply unit, providing the capability to maintain the functionality of the artillery's main armament even when the main engine shuts down. A variety of standard features are incorporated into the Floks, enhancing its versatility and efficiency. These include a central tire inflation system, a system for nuclear, biological, and chemical (NBC) protection, heating, as well as a navigation and orientation device. The crew cabin has been installed with a computerized firing control system, enhancing precision and control in the heat of conflict.